Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number TPU78-434. This is your 7/8 by 9 inch by 4 3/4 inch long equalizer bolt for your 2-inch wide slipper springs. Let's check it out. So this is part number TPU78-434. This is your 7/8 by 9 by 4 3/4 inch long equalizer bolt for your 2.5 inch wide springs. And we'll just measure it out real quick. So from the bottom of the head to the end, it's going to be 4 3/4, 4.75 inches. The diameter is going to be 0.86, and you see it has this little square part right underneath the head. I'll explain that in a second. Then it has the grease zert on here, so you can actually grease up and lubricate your equalizer to keep everything lasting longer. It's always going to help when you have it lubed up. So this bolt would use it with the equalizers that are commonly found on like 7K axles, 8K, 6K, 5,200 pound axles that use the 2-inch wide slipper spring. So you got your equalizer right here, and then you have your hanger that's welded onto the trailer. So your equalizer is going to sit like that, and then you have your bolt that's going to go through, and this is where the square part right underneath the head comes into play. So you see on the hanger itself, there's a square hole and there's a round hole. So the square hole underneath this bolt right here, underneath the head, it's going to make it where it's going to lock this bolt in place, just like so. And that's going to prevent it from moving around, and it's going to keep it nice and secure. It's awesome, huh? And then you would just need your TPU78TL lock nut to go on the other side right here, and you're good to go. And we also sell this setup as a whole kit, where you can buy these replacement parts all together as well. So if you need this equalizer bolt, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com, or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.